Hi folks, we're Simon and Emma, aka Iggs'n'Morts. We're a UK couple who love to travel and ride our Harley Davidson. We have decided to take an adventure on our Harley Sportster 883. We are riding 2 up on a road trip across Europe to southern Turkey, crossing a continent to reach our base for 3 months in Fethiye. This is near the resort of Oludeniz, Turkey.
Without tickets. Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much. Hang on to those ticket stubs. So here we are catching the ferry from Chios to Izmir, the port in Turkey. This was our last push into Turkey, our final country, and the continent of Asia. So from now on we're making our final push towards Fethiye. We'll be making our way from Izmir to Izmir for the night, spending the night in Izmir before pushing on to Fethiye the next day. So please enjoy this last video of our trip from Wales to Fethiye in Turkey.
Eski günlerini hatırladın değil mi motor görünce?
Yok.
Gençlik yıllarını.
Televizyon kanalları varmış. Ona abone ol. Güzel şeyleri var. Yerlere geziyorlar. Aynı yerlere gitmişiz daha önce de.
She's here. Oh, Fonzie's made it. After a short ferry ride, we're here in Turkey. We just can't believe it, and now we have to go through the customs for this hard border. Gone through passport control, and now Simon's just had to go and register the vehicle, so I'm just waiting for him to come to the customs gate with the bike now. It's taking a little bit of time, but I'm not sure. They scanned my bag and stuff, so I'm not sure if they'll make him scan the bag on the back of the bike as well. So we'll see. So we had to go through passport control, around a corner to the vehicle control, but only one person can go through there. So I'm now waiting at the exit gate of the passport control for the vehicle, where Simon's had to show the V documents and the insurance. So at the moment they're looking through some cars, so I'm guessing they're going to want to have a look in the bag on the bike as well. We'll see. If he has to unpack the bag, I don't know, he's going to pack it back up again because I've been doing it. We'll soon see now. Now because Simon's been a little while. I just hope he gets through in a minute. I can't wait to see that bike riding down here. Come on, Simon! I just hope there's not a problem with any of the documents or anything. We seem to be okay, and the lady in Chios checked our documents as well, so I'm sure they'll be fine. Just getting anxious because he's been a while. Okay, so it's taken us a little bit longer to get to Izmir than we thought, and our sat-nav, we're just not getting a proper signal to make it work, so navigating through these streets in the dark has been quite a challenge. So yeah, so we're actually in Izmir, and we're just finding our hotel, but yeah, it is a challenge. So we are in Izmir. This is our hotel balcony view. It's going to be a beautiful day in Turkey today, in the 20s. 26, 24. So we should have a lovely ride. Through the streets of Izmir. Busy, busy city. Fethiye.
I'm straight chillin', back against the wall, too acquainted with the feeling. Like you lost the ball, find a way if I'm willing. Only fear God, not sweating this lost children. Price on my head, exported a few trillion. Suicide missions, whatever I'm feeling. I'm built different, cruise with no ceiling. Sun shining on me, boy, I'm indifferent. Go! Come on, let's go. I don't know what comes next, but I couldn't care less. I refuse to feel stressed. There's no fear. barking like a matador. Come on, I'm ready to go get it like a Labrador. Dog days done and I'm tired of the tug of war. Broke off the leash and I ain't going back no more. I've been better ever after like Barrymore. Hold up, let me reset. Living in the matrix, used to sequence. I cracked the code, popped out the subnet. Walk around like I found a 20, that's a dubstep. Living in the moment, did you notice that ain't up yet? You can put the pressure on me, I ain't dropping one sweat. Used to be stressed hard, beating like a drum set. Breathe, stretch, let it go. Everybody need a refresh, go. Come on, let's go. I don't know what comes next, but I couldn't care less. I refuse to feel stress. There's no fear in my chest. Hit a boom for my steps. Walk away from the pain I've been through. This feeling I'm feeling is brand new. This the moment I break through. I don't know what comes next, but I couldn't care less. I refuse to feel stress. There's no fear in my chest. Hit a boom for my steps. Walk away from the pain I've been through. This feeling I'm feeling is brand new. This the moment I break through.
Strawberry summertime, your head laid next to mine. Windows down, take a ride, can't help it. I'm feeling selfish, 'cause I just want days like this forever. Now I can't pull myself together. Feel like this nicer weather won't last. Goes so fast. Strawberry summer wine, so sweet and so divine. Won't let it pass me by, I can't help it.
I still can't really believe it, I have.
And me. I was thinking to myself, I wonder if you'll still think it's beautiful after all the other beautiful places we've seen. But it is still beautiful.
Goes so fast.
So yes, Simon did a stop off on the way in Tashaka to buy cat food for Draki. We're just hoping he's going to be there now.
I know he's up there waiting for me. He's been waiting for me for 4 months. He might be a bit hungry.
Strawberry summertime. Strawberry summertime. Your hair laid
Oi! Good late.
Simon's feeding the cats. No sign of ducks yet. This is our little apartment. Gotta find the key now. Let's get the key. Home sweet home. Everything looks amazing. Everything is cool. So our epic ride is finished. Thank you for joining us, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, and please comment on the videos as well. We have Fonzie in Turkey for the first time, and our next little series is going to be a Sportster Summer, and we're going to take Fonzie to our favourite places in and around Fethiye and beyond. So we hope you join us for that little series as well. For now, thank you again for watching, and we're just going to kick back and enjoy the sun.